actually the first time Chris was on our show, and both Chris and Blake had such great energy. What I loved about this battle was how different these two traders were. Chris was very active, putting on a lot of trades. Blake was slow and steady, but that really showcased their differing trading styles.
Thanks, Kathy, and thanks for being here. Looking forward to being in the trading battle today with Blake. So numbers-wise today, we have what looks to be a pretty ridiculous number. We're seeing, a lot of things circulating of 1 million plus, 990s forecasted on Forex Factory. Average earnings, I think what's going to be potentially the thing to play in the background would be, is it all positive? Do we have huge job number with better unemployment and positive earnings, or is something going to slip? We started this conversation, and we're going to carry it over into this, but does this actually mean that, tapering becomes the secret word? Changing policy becomes the new thing. So I think technically speaking, I'm looking for dollar strength. I'm looking for stocks to start to retreat. I'm looking for some risk off tone. And I wonder if this is kind of the push that we get to kind of finalize those tops and bottoms. So I would not be surprised if we see 1 million plus jobs printed. But what I keep thinking of is we lost 20 million jobs last year. And so we're on the recovery, but we're still getting back to even. So even if we printed 1 million jobs, it's really not the whole picture of like everything is great, the economy is booming. But anyway, it's going to be interesting. The numbers have been so far off, like since COVID, the numbers have been wild.
You did mention the Canadian yen. Yes, we do have Canadian data. I am actually looking to sell the Canadian yen above the 90 level. So if we get above 90 in the Canadian yen, there's 161% extension out there. Nice. One of the things I like to play into is really strong sentiment. And the Canadian sentiment right now is beyond ridiculous, and it's been high. It registers above 90 on the DSI. And so if I can get a move above 90, I'm looking to sell the Canadian yen at 90, 90.10, 90.15.